Welcome back! I've been waiting for you! We still have so many fun things to do here! It needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the front loader. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? Cracks and dents. We have to fix them. Awesome! Use a hammer to level out the dents. That's great! Weld the cracks. Move the tool along the cracks. You're so smart! Magnificent! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going! I knew you could do it! There's something wrong with the wires! Keep going! Wonderful! That's a lot of dust! Let's vacuum it up! Awesome! Plug the wire into the right place. Green. Red. Blue. Violet. Yellow. Great job! The tire is torn. It needs to be patched. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Excellent. Perfect. Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue. Super! Magnificent! Put the patches in the silhouette. Rectangle. Heart. Star. Diamond. Circle. Awesome! Connect the pump to the wheel. That's it! Pump it! Pump it! Keep going! You solved the problem! All done! Now help to assemble! Front loader! Was wonderful! Now we can upgrade the parts! Go to the construction site! Keep going!